Here we have a 2018 18 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £10,800 worth of optional extras included. Now we do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do get the LED headlights as well as the black kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a black rear diffuser. Now there's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now as you can see on the front left wing you do have the charging port for the hybrid electric. Then you also have your fuel filler cap on the other side. Now you do get the black window trim with the privacy glass on the rear, shark fin antenna and also your eDrive badging on the rear quarter. We have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual exit exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now I do also get a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key. Now as you can see we do get a nice spacious size boot and the rear seats do also fold forwards from a touch of those buttons. That's also power assisted back down again. Now as that vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and rear does look superb from every angle. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now if you go to the rear of the car I'll show you a bit of the interior of this vehicle. Now as you can see we do have full Dakota leather throughout with the blue stitching. You also have your pull down leather armrest, you also have your ISOFIX points just down there as well. Now as you can see just behind the driver and the passenger seat you do have your rear entertainment screens. Now they are Bluetooth, Blu-ray side with CD DVD and you can also have your USB and your HDMI input in there. The 2 rear seats are also heated, so the left seat and the right seat are heated from the control panel just down there. You also have your headphone inputs just in there as well. Now on the doors you do get your electric windows with your leather trim with your blue stitching, BMW individual trim with your ambient lighting just there as well, and your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is heated and electric, as you can see just there. Now on the doors you do get your electric windows, you also get your BMW individual trim with your ambient lighting, again integrated Harman Kardon speakers just there as well. Now jumping inside the car and looking just down there you do have your auto lights. Foot on the brake we do have keyless start. Now being a hybrid it is silent when you first turn it on. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter. You also have your other modes over there as well. You have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode and you also have your auto wipers just there as well. Now as you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 50,460 miles. Now it's the digital dash, so when you do go through your drive modes it does also change. Now coming to the centre we do have the satellite navigation screen, which is also touchscreen, as you can see just there. We can also use the dial just down here to control it. Now going through the dials you can go, we do have different media connectivity, so we do have your DAB radio, scroll across you can find USB, screen mirroring which is your Apple CarPlay, you also have Bluetooth audio, CD, DVD, music collection, FM, and also back to your DAB radio. Now you do get Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well, navigation, and we do get your different drive modes. Now you do get Eco Pro as well as Comfort, then you do get Sport and Individual just there as well. Now you can configure the individual to suit your driver preferences. It's entirely up to you which one you then choose. Now when you're in those sportier settings you can also have your sport display, so the kilowatts of power and the newton meter torque that you're currently using at the time. Now pop it into reverse, you can see your rear reversing camera with your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors just there. Now clicking that button just there, it is your intelligent safety. Now as the display just shows, it then picks up if people are around the car. Now if I go onto home and go to my vehicle, go to vehicle settings, go into lights, interior lighting, we do have the ambient lighting which you can change. So go to the top, you have bronze, white and bronze, orange, white and orange, white, blue, white and blue, green, white and green, lilac, white and lilac. It's entirely up to you which one you choose. I like to keep it just on a lilac. Now coming down here you do have your dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to. as you can see just there. You have your 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference. And as you can see, they work exactly how you would expect them to. You have your ice cold aircon just there as well. Now coming down here, you do have your BMW individual trim, which again is a very nice addition to this vehicle. Pop that open, you can find your wireless charger with your ambient lighting just underneath, as you can see reflecting off my hand. 2 nice size cup holders, and you also have your 12-volt connectivity just down there as well. Now to close that, simply just push that back just like so, and then it will then close back up. Again, this is what you use to control everything happens on your screen. If you're not using the touchscreen function, traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, e-drive, and also your parking sensors on and off. Electric parking brake with auto hold just there as well. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well. Then you find this, which is your remote for the screens in the back. And there's a quick look at the passengers full coat leather front seat, again with the blue stitching and the M Performance stitching there as well. Now, some of the additional optional extras included in this car is the gesture control. So you can turn the sound up by doing that with your fingers, as you can see just there. It's then turned up and down, exactly how you would use it yourself. And you also have all those different other functions as well. Now you do have the integrated Harman speakers, heated rear seats. Now we do have the rear seat entertainment experience. So you get your 2 screens with the Blu-ray player, HDMI, and also USB inputs. Now you do have the through loading system, so your 40-20-40 split, so your folding rear seats. You have the ambient air pack, which is the M5 and the 5 series, Apple CarPlay preparation, automatic boot lid operation, so you do get your keyless boot lid, so you do have the button just down there, or you can press the button on the key. You also get the heads-up display, as you can see just there. Now you do get the M Sport Plus pack, which is a £2,190 optional extra there, and we do also have the rear reversing camera. They do also get the BMW display key. Now, if you wish to find out more about the optional extras and this vehicle, please go to our website, where you have the list of all the technical details and also all the optional extras on our website. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new OT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.